Welcome to our roundup of the best oil drain plugs in the market for 2024. But before we reveal our expert picks, let's take a look at these buying considerations to help you make an informed choice. Let's start with the basics. The size and thread pitch of your oil drain plug are critical for a perfect fit. Get these wrong and it can lead to a stripped oil drain plug, causing oil leaks and potentially severe engine damage. Material compatibility is where it gets interesting. Different materials, such as aluminum or steel, offer varying levels of durability and resistance to environmental factors. Selecting one that is compatible with your machinery's specifications is key to avoiding corrosion and wear over time. Next, the sealing mechanism of an oil drain plug is critical for ensuring a tight fit. Whether it's a crush washer, rubber gasket, or an O-ring, the right choice here is crucial for a leak-free solution. Ease of installation and removal can make or break your maintenance routine. A plug that is easy to handle reduces the risk of accidental cross-threading or over-tightening, which can lead to a stripped oil drain plug. Finally, choosing between magnetic or standard oil drain plugs. Is it worth going for a magnetic plug that catches metal particles, or is a standard plug enough for your needs? It all boils down to your specific needs for engine protection. Keep these buying considerations in mind as we go through the top 4 oil drain plugs in the market. Leading our lineup is the Dorman oil drain plug. Known for its reliability, this plug is an ideal choice for replacing a lost or damaged plug, promising a tight seal and long-lasting service. This plug embodies precision and reliability, ensuring your engine is sealed securely with a product backed by a rich history of quality. For those who prioritize engine cleanliness, the HPS Performance magnetic oil drain plug is a game-changer. Its powerful 5000 Gauss neodymium magnet captures tiny metal particles, protecting your engine. Crafted from 304 stainless steel, it's a durable defense against corrosion. The AGS Automotive oil drain plug offers unmatched versatility, fitting a wide range of engines. Its design simplifies the installation process, making it a go-to for a broad range of cars. The included high-temp gasket delivers a maximum sealing protection. Its wide compatibility and easy installation make it a practical choice for nearly any vehicle. Lastly, the AGA Clean Oil Drain Plug is revolutionizing oil changes. Designed to prevent spills and drips, it promotes a cleaner, safer, and more environmentally friendly maintenance process. It's a forward-thinking solution for modern workshops and services. This plug not only simplifies oil changes but also supports a greener approach to vehicle maintenance. And there you have it, the best oil drain plugs of 2024, each offering unique benefits to meet your specific needs. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert tips and insights.